Aggressive uvu. Uvu.
Lily, I am Sizo and do not understand why 69 is a funny number. Can you explain the joke to me?
Oh yeah, it's because when you're 6, your fingers are 6, right? And then if you take this one finger from this hand and put it down, but put all the other fingers up in instead, then it's 9. It's funny cause math is fun, right? Right? That's why it's fun, right? It's because math is fun. You have thumb math. I don't know, man. Just ask some warlock about it. I don't know. It's some voodoo shit.
Lily's watching me. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Let's have sex. Plenty of sex. Sloppy sex. Sex. Sorry.
Wait. I can't. Wait. Hold up.
I'm gonna come.
Alright, gotcha. I'm a beautiful bottom.
Powerful bottom.
Yes, very powerful. I don't care. So what? I'll own up to it, and I'll be a proud bottom. I'll be a proud bottom. Proud, I tell you. Yeah. I'm very breathable. You kinda smell like a baka. Ich hab keine flachen Brüste, Jared. Ich bin nicht flach. Ich hab fette Boing Boings, dude. Can you say something in German, please? Schmetterlinge! Krankenwagen! Pfannkuchen! Geschlechtserkrankungen!
Stop. Infinite Lily. Lily forever and ever and ever and ever.
Oh my
and ever
god,
and ever.
Michiel, the 10 as well. Total
Is the
10,
delay
Ghost
happening
Side
again?
5.
Shylily.
Yes, Redzi! Zero! Ah! Oh, go! King!
Well done, Chet.
Cyber! What are you guys doing?
I walk away for 2 seconds.
What?
What did you do? Womp womp. Womp womp.
Oh, fuck me. Womp womp.
What's up, Andy? I wish I could fucking grab you by the horn and throw you across the fucking...
Yoni, you saw nothing! Yoni, no! You saw nothing!
What are you doing to my baby?
You saw nothing! And I will. Maybe I will? Maybe I will! Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I will do Rabbit Prayer! Maybe I won't! Who knows? You say you're holding me here
She doesn't know
forever!
Pepe laugh. Chat, don't tell her Pepe laugh.
I know everything. You say I'm stuck with you forever. Ah! You're stuck with me. You're stuck with me, Tab!
I'm here and I already hear you moaning. Pocket monsters time.
Pokemon. Pocket monsters. It's Pocket Monster time. Pocket Monster time. Hey, me hostess. You think I'm the captive You think I'm the captivated You think I'm the captivated
Eat, sleep, game, repeat, shy, nod.
What's the word? what is the word? You think I'm the captivated orca? No, you're being held captive. Yeah, that's right. I'm holding you captive. I smell it. A submachine gun wump wump. One of them. Wump. My wife's boyfriend is finally letting me stay up past 9 p.m. Your wife's boyfriend? What? Excuse you? Huh? Welcome to my ASMR. Yeah. 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 9. Flach. Yes, German ASMR. Oh my god, no! We need to help. Help. I'm so happy with her. She's the best. She's so cute. You can do pretty much everything you want with her. She's so chill. You can touch everything you want her.
Oh.
Her paw. Hold on! Don't stop!
You made it sound like that.
No! You dirty minded.
You.
You're dirty.
You.
Like, we can catch up on all the vacations and other nice things. We should make sure that we don't become too lazy in this corona time, and we cook and stay healthy and do what we can and go. I'm going to eat chips.
To squish that cat.
Side. Eat all the shins. I'm so sorry. Ahoy! Ahoy! 3, 2, 1. Moshi moshi. Ghost, let's go. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
What's that supposed to?
Apparently it triggers the ghost.
No, Bloody Mary is the story. Oh! What the fuck? That's not my baby! What the heck? That's not my baby! Go away! Go away! What? What was that? What was that?
You can't just be like, Lily, don't do this. Okay, snowy windy, listen. What the? What the? I did not mean to do that. Get lots of D, everyone. Go out there, go into the world, and get as much D as you can. Oh my god. Everyone should have some D. Everyone should try some D. It cures depression, I swear. All you need is some D. There's danger everywhere I go. Every corner, every turn I take. Every corner I go around. Boom, T-Rex. Boom, ghost. Boom, dicks. It's never ending.
Dicks!
My... I will find you. I'm so bad with puzzles. Like, I'm really, really bad. Oops, not what I meant to press. What did I wanna say? Wait, I just completely blanked out. What was that? What was I saying? Help. What was I saying just now? I forgot. What is that in my throat? It's like... I need to drink.
Dicks!
It's ginormous. Cock. Instant cock. Whoa. Dirty. Damn, you've got some filthy laundry. Yucks. Man, your dishes be stinky, boy. Man, when's the last time you vacuumed, you filthy shrimp? Gosh, you're so dirty. Did you even shower at all this year? Man, you've got them crusties on your nutsies. What did I wanna do? I keep forgetting. Motion sensor, yeah. Smudge emotions. I'll do the motion sensor. I can do that. Oh, fuck! Chat, help! Someone, someone take my beer away. Wait, hold on.
Dicks!
I will come and oh my god. I have like no brain. The inside of my head is just this. You know those monkeys that go. I swear to God, I will crush you with my freaking booba. I will choke you. You will. You have breathed this. Your last breath of this. Oh God. Ah! The pressure! The pressure! Okay, I was so cringe. Okay, God, stop! Okay, I was... Maximum freaking cringe. Alright. Bread. 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 Loaf. Bread. 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 Loaf. Bread. Bread. Loaf.
Bread, 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 bread,
bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread, bread. Huh? It's okay. Can you stay instantaneously though? Yes. I nailed it.
Lily, try these. Rural.
Rural.
Measure.
Measure.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Rural. Measure. Squirrel. Pleasure. Huh? Huh?
Pleasure these nights.
Bye.
I'm gonna come.
How are you, Shylily? Love the content.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I can't believe there's only 20 more mins left of the subath and people sad.
Welcome to the stream. Rap orca, I'm fucking rap god, fucking.
How really? That's how you greet us? Ah yes, please, more.
Verrekte koekwoos.
Verrekte koekwoos!
No, koekwoos.
Huh?
Koekwoos.
Verrekte koekwoos!
Wous.
Woust!
Wous.
Woust!
Verrekte koekwoos.
Verrekte koekwoos!
Jongen.
Jongen! Fretje, jongen! Come in. Come in. Oh, my ball! My ball, no! Oh my god! I saw my ball back, dude! Not every German has the typical German accent, yeah. That is not always true. Okay? Not every German has hardcore German accent, yeah. It's not only accent in Germany. Maybe very common accent, yeah, but not the most common accent, yeah. So yes, I am German. But I hate that I have to justify myself against people who are like, no, you're not. Because I don't have the typical Arnold Schwarzenegger German accent. That isn't how we talk, okay? It may be a quite common German accent, but not even
Is
the
this
most
one
common.
of the three
What? Oh. Sad. Bring me the fish.
Yo kid, wanna see a
Thank
magic
you for the
trick?
5. Yo,
Shy bop, shy bop.
yo,
here's to
kid,
5
wanna
months
see a
to the
magic
criminal
trick?
rocket.
Twitch
Love
channel
you.
disappears.
Well. Look who's back from arousal arrest.
Alright, listen. Chat, I'm not kidding. I'm for real here, right? I can fit my hands. Stop! Into your ass. Should be out of fucking.
Who are you pulling for?
Ganyu.
Can you see these nuts? Just want to.
Okay, ready? Go. Wait, do you know any German tongue twisters? Those have to exist, right? Yeah, I know German tongue twisters. One of the German tongue twisters is am 10.10. um 10.10 Uhr so um 10 sammelt Ziegen, 10 seiner Zucker, sonst Zwickau so. Fischers Fritze, Fisch, frische Fische, frische Fische, Fisch, Fischers Fritze. And Brautkleid bleibt Brautkleid and Blaukraut bleibt Blaukraut. I said and for some reason.
Lily? Do you have brain damage?
Yeah.
Because it looks like you fell out of the sky. On your head. I could not resist.
Well, I did fall into the old. Oh my god. There we go. There we go, chat. We got it. It's been fixed. We fixed the chat. There we go. Yes, yes.
No idea how it works. Where per? Zavig bonk.
Where per?
Womp to the womp.
Holy shit, that's an expensive womp. Are you crazy? Damn.
What are you doing, Step Orca?
I was asked to do this. I was asked to. Francis, thank you for the friend. I was. Chat told me to. Fuck you. Fuck you. Lily, what is your wisdom? And I'm wondering why people keep asking for my wisdom. Have you spent 5 minutes in my stream? My head fucking empty. There's nothing there. There's no wisdom. What's behind those ears? Is it a brain? Nope. Just floof. No brain. It's empty. It's just empty. Yeah, only floof.
It's like all of these pipes. Oh my god, chat, there's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Old game, let's do.
Oh my god, chat, there's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Bald gang, bald boobs. My immersion. My boobas are bald.
I like you.
I like it. Yo, mom. Oh, sorry.
Lily, I'm sorry I found a cuter girl. Let's break up.
No. 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 No, no, no. No. No, 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 no. There's no way out. There's no way out. Together forever. Together forever. Together forever. Together forever. Together forever. Together forever. Sorry, anyway, we were saying. But I swallow cum. Wait.
Can you do a 360?
Yes. Ta-dam. Don't worry, I'll be the first one to kill. Just sit back. Relax. Don't worry. I'll kill for you. I'll kill your time, that is. I'll kill your time. I'll make sure that hours fly by and before you know it, It's evening already.
Venom is awesome, though.
He is. Uni, Boba? Aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac is something that helps you during sex, like Viagra. You don't need Viagra if you're with me. Don't worry about it. It's essential, something to excite someone more into the mood. See? I told you, I am an aphrodisiac. That's what I am. Look at my eyes. It's so perky.
Horny ee.
Horny ee. Horny ee. Really, just Sunday and Monday.
So you won't be using your voice changer on the other account?
Yeah, I won't be. I won't be using my voice changer on my other account. I will be Man Lily. Wah. I'll be Man Lily. Brr. I'll be. Did fail. Hello? Is it not working? Wait, what's not working? It's still running? Absolutely. Open doors. Oh my... My fucking blood just took out of my pussy, dude. Oh... I swear to God. Oh. Excuse. Oh, we're killing sandworms already. I see. Who's this? How did you get him?
Move.
Moo. Moo. Hi.
The only thing that can hurt the orchid is height.
Hide. 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 Hide.
Second month of forever.
Hide. Hide.
Womp
Womp womp.
womp 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 womp.
Womp womp. Womp womp. She's not derpy. She's beautiful. I love her. She's not derpy. She is beauty. She is grace. She can sit on my face.
A great day at work as
And we have
Dicks!
well. Guys, Google is
Not
Jussie
dicks,
and you
no.
can't convince me otherwise.
not dicks, we have a hat. Infected, thank you for the sabi. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp
Womp womp, good morning,
Womp
Lily.
womp.
It's been an amazing...
Hello? Hello? Echo?
Womp
Echo?
womp, womp
Womp womp. Womp womp.
Suck.
womp,
Womp.
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 Im from Spain, hi.
Hi.
Welcome back, Shylily. Womp womp womp.
Thank you
womp,
so
womp,
much.
womp,
Womp womp
womp,
womp
womp,
womp womp
womp,
womp 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 womp. I've missed you so much. Oh, thank you for the tier 2, Silent Dragon. Where's the drinking snail?
Lily, cutest noise you can make right now, go. Super Nodder's snail. Pwomp. Parry this pants pack. W underscore. Imagine get. Parried, I was parried once. They put me in a room. A parried room filled with parries and. No! Exclamation mark.
No!
Why is this so funny? Lily unlocked a new laugh. Dirt. Don't forget breathing. Hargottom. Get parried, mother trucker.
Angie, not cute. Angie. That was the clip, right? Went straight for the pee-pee, Lily. The I mean, wouldn't you? He looks so touched. Oh, feet. Yeah, you hear it? How drunk are you? I can't go to the bathroom alone by myself anymore. I need someone to take care of me so I don't mess things up.
My penis is tingling right now.
Do you want some pills for that? And I'm not talking Viagra here. I mean more like you know, it's okay. I can hook you up with my therapist if you want, right? Oh boy! Oh god. I swear I muted my mic just now. But my mic is touch. And I failed to... I swear I muted my mic. But... I tapped the mic and I didn't mute. It's a touch mic. You touched the... I missed... Oh my... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you have to sit through this. Oh my god. I swear I tried to mute, but my fingers, they're so... And then I didn't touch... Oh god, I'm so sorry.
You're a fucking idiot.
Baka.
700.
Jesus Christ.
I'm hugging you.
You're so tiny.
so tiny.
Dude, I have no idea.
She's so tiny.
Wrong here. Something's wrong.
No, I like this. This is how it should be.
welcome. Oh my god! And then I kind of
The fucking booba.
I think I was supposed at the end. It was just like I asked him to show me around a little bit, and then I kind of oh goddamn! It's one thing seeing it on YouTube. It's another thing seeing it IRL. On private. Shrimps, one of us has made it. One of us made it, boys.
She's made it. She's made it.
We made it, boys. We made it, boys. Yeah. You're not wearing shoes at the disco.
Nah, I know my feet are all sticky. So sticky here. I don't wanna know what that is. Clean, clean. This one too. This one too. It's the same thing.
What the fuck, Lily? Your thighs jiggle.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Jiggly thighs.
Oh yeah, they no me.
Jesus Christ, no me. Lily, what I was showing you, did you manage to open the outer map?
Yeah.
My birthday? My birthday.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Maybe that's true.
Wait.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh wow. It's very. Oh my god. Anybody else seeing this? Anybody seeing this? There's like a rat staring at us. Lily, really low.
Don't worry about that.
They're just calling to me. I don't know what it is.
They're punching bags.
They're speaking to me. They call me the boob whisperer. If I can listen in, I can figure out what you're thinking.
What am I thinking? What am I thinking?
Who are we?
Boobs. I mean,
let's see. 20. Oh, right! It's Ramadan! See, Booba is haram. Wait. No, Booba. Booba is haram. Looks like the front to me. Is this the front of the castle? Wait, no, stop! Yes, kill him. Am I in the way or something? Am I like... Am I... You know, maybe I'm like not in the best position for this.
The only shiny I need is the ultra rare shiny Lily, only seen on full moons.
Well, I am the Pokemon now. Well, there we go. Pizza, thank you for the prime. A mega one. A mega. I heard he's got a small dick. All the boys say so. Yeah. I heard. Yeah. I heard it from very reliable sources that pee small. Okay.
Could just be that
I'm here. I'm looking through my spyglass. Fuck!
What?
What's happening?
Oh my fucking! What's happening? It said all up here in the fucking stairs. Fuck off!
What happened? Well, why are we freaking out?
If people ran at me, dude.
Screw this, dude.
Die. Stop. Kevin is just fucking... Yeah, that's right! Run, bitch! Run! Get logged! That's right. No. No mercy. What the fuck is that? Oh no. Go away, horse lady. Goodbye. Goodbye. Then Uber Whites, please. Oh, sure, of course. What up?
What up, bitches? Well, I get on this juicy ass dick. Get your ass over here, cutie. Come here, baby. Want a piece of that meat? Did I know some nice cheeks? Let me clap them. Will you stop? Fuck nah, baby. I know you like it.
Committed with her memory mountains.
Crime. Commit crime. Do drug. Do drug. Commit crime.
Doing a great job.
Thank you!
Good girl, Shylily Pat. Who is a good girl?
Me.
You are a good girl. Shy Pat.
Me.
Who is a good girl?
You could try Terraria. I did play Terraria.
Pat. And who is the best girl? Maidska is the best girl. Not you, for sure.
Oh. Oh. Numi? Ah! Numi? She voice acted in Zelda? And she never told me? What?
What? These eyes could never lie. They're full of cute and care and love. Live, laugh, love that for you, bitches! I spent
if I
hours.
could get Connor to sing, I could get you to sing.
Yeah, but he has a great voice too! Freaking voice acting singing, of course he can sing!
He swears that he can't sing, but you know what the issue is with him? The issue with him was that he's British and like he doesn't have... he thinks everything is... What? Wait. He has like this British thing that it's like everything is stupid. Like not that everything's stupid, it's like he just finds everything cringe.
A Labrador, bro. Fuck yeah. I can fuck with a Labrador. Yeah.
Sure. For sure. For real.
Meow meow.
Meow,
Wait,
meow.
I did that wrong. Woof woof.
Woof
No,
woof.
that is not right.
Eh?
Womp womp.
Woof,
There
woof.
we go.
Thank you.
I wonder what the runes says. Let me see. It says Lily is
Small.
the best.
Thank you.
That being small.
Shut up. I think 4 looks best, yes. Let's just ignore Pia. Fuck Pia. I think... Yo, nice titties, girl! Holy shit, little saggy. Okay, I need to spread arms. Damn, girl! The arms? Oh my god, there are arms. I thought... Yo-ho! Damn! You packing. Anyway. Okay. Everything reminds me of him. God, I wish that was me. I should call.
Laureate to I love you. Continue the hard work.
Oh no. The bad man. They said a bad thing. I go gaga, bitch. Suck my dick. suck my dick, suck my dick, suck my dick, suck my motherfucking dick, suck my dick.
Alright, I said that was my last
Jesus!
message in the
What do you guys want from me? If that I can add on.
Come to TwitchCon!
Want me to come? What about baguettes? You hear that? Wait, what? me and Lily had the same fucking reaction. Did I miss an inside joke?
You really just man standing emojis then ask if you want me to come.
Just stand here. I can't fucking do this, dude. I'm losing my mind. I'm actually. What are laughing?
I can't. I'm fucking dead.
No. No.
Oh my god! I like how you both just immediately.
Tommy, I think we missed the joke.
I think we should.
Add more sugar. Yes. Ah, fuck me.